Fido loans. How to apply for Fido loan in Ghana. 6,000 instant Fido money laundering. I'm going to show you step by step how to get instant loan right from Fido. I want you to go to your Play Store and then type in Fido. So when it comes, I want you to pick the Fido money laundering app. When you pick the Fido money laundering app, I want you to click on the install button. So the app will download, and then after it finished downloading, it will then install. Now that it has finished installing, I want you to open the app. So when you open the app, they will ask you to register, then click on it. And you are supposed to enter your mobile number, okay? And then it should not necessarily be your mobile money number. You can input any number at all. And then when you are applying for the loan, then you can use your mobile money number. After that, just press on next. After pressing on next, they are going to send you this code. As you see, I have been saying the code, and then you are supposed to put these 6 codes here to verify your number. Okay, after that, you are going to set your password. You are then supposed to pick a password, okay, a 4-digit number that you can remember. So input a password. Me, I'm going to put 0020. After that, you have to confirm the password as well. So I'm entering it again, which is 0020. When you are done, just click on continue, okay, and then here you are supposed to answer a security question. The reason why they are asking you to answer is that so that when you lose your password, you'll be able to reset it. Okay, so this is the answer to my security question. When I'm done, all that I have to do is to click on set security question. Congratulations, you have been able to create your account on Fido. So now you can apply up to 200 instant loan for start. Okay, so all that you have to do is to just go to your profile, and then the next thing that you have to do is to verify your identity, because if you do not verify your identity, you will not be allowed to apply for the loan. So when you click on it, you are supposed to take a personal passport picture, which you are going to use your phone to do the selfie. Then you are going to verify your Ghana card, and then your address, that is your residential address where you are staying currently. Okay, so when you are ready, all that you have to do is to just click on let's go, and then you should allow them access to your camera so that you'll be able to take your picture. And then these are the requirements and then the guidelines that you should follow when taking the picture. The picture should be indoors, and then make sure that your entire face is displayed. After that, then you have to follow the instruction. So when you are able to do all this, then you'll be given the opportunity to apply for the instant loan, which they are going to give to you within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how to apply for the Fido loan, and then when you follow all these steps, you'll be able to apply for it with no hardship. So thank you for watching this video.